Okay, girls, for the last problem, we're going to actually do the quadratic formula. Remember, the purpose is to find two solutions for your x-intercepts. Typically, this is used for unfactorable items. I'm going to do three problems: the example, number 5, and number 14. So you just watched the Pop Goes the Weasel song, so you'll kind of see me say that in the same beat, so you quickly get acquainted with the formula. So I'm going to go to the first example problem, and I'm going to actually write on a separate piece of paper. X squared minus 6x plus 4. So an additional thing that you are going to be asked to do on that sheet is identify the discriminant, which shouldn't be that bad since it is actually within your quadratic formula. Also, I'd put that in your letter that you needed to additionally add that on. So as you heard the formula, it's negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then this is just the fact of inserting it. So if my b is negative 6, I'm going to put a negative square root, or excuse me, parentheses, negative 6 plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2. My a is 1. So a couple things, the reason why you have two solutions. One time I'm going to add these two together, and one time I'm going to subtract these two together, and for both times after that, I'm going to divide by 2. So how this works in simplified, I'm going to have 6 plus or minus square root. This becomes 36 minus 16, which ends with 20. Again, 36 minus 16. Negative 6 squared, 36. 4 times 1 times 4, okay, 16. 36 minus 16 equals 20. All over 2. Now, one way I'm going to solve this now. One thing I'm going to put on my calculator, I'm going to do 6 plus the square root of 20 divided by 2. Next time I'm going to do 6 minus the square root of 20 divided by 2. So I take this and I do 6 plus the square root of 20, enter, divided by 2. I get 5.24. The next time you're going to see, I'm just going to copy and paste this and change the sign. 6 minus the square root of 20 divided by 2. I'm going to get 0.76. So my two solutions are going to be x equals 5.24 and 0.76. So this is problem, I'm done. Now to review the discriminant, remember that it's only whatever is left in the parentheses, which is 20. Since it's positive, this means two solutions. Okay, now we can kind of see how that works together. 20, which means if it's positive, higher than 0, okay, two solutions, and I end with two solutions.